I possess inner strength that can withstand any challenge. I am unbreakable. I am resilient, and I bounce back stronger from every setback that I encounter. I am unbreakable. I am a powerful being, capable of overcoming any obstacle that comes my way. I am unbreakable. I am invincible, and I rise above any adversity that presents itself. I am unbreakable. I am unwavering in my determination to achieve my goals. I am unbreakable. I am indestructible, and I shall always remain strong. I am unbreakable. I am unshakable, and I stand firm in my beliefs and in my values. I am unbreakable. I am unstoppable, and I move forward with unwavering confidence and laser focus. I am unbreakable. I am fortified by the challenges I face, and the only thing that they do is makes me stronger, wiser, and more motivated to overcome. I am unbreakable. I am a warrior equipped with the resilience to conquer any battle, no matter the distance. I am unbreakable. I am a force to be reckoned with, and I will overcome all limitations, always. I am unbreakable. I am unyielding, and I remain steadfast in my pursuit of my dreams. I am unbreakable. I am impervious to doubt and fear, and I embrace the unknown with courage and enthusiasm. I am unbreakable. I transform hardships into opportunities for growth. I am unbreakable. I am rock solid and weather its life's storms with grace and resilience. I am unbreakable. I am a pillar of strength, influencing others with my unwavering determination and confidence. I am unbreakable. I guard my inner peace, and I use that to redirect it back to the world so they can experience what possibility feels like. I am unbreakable. I am fortified by self-love and acceptance, creating an unbreakable foundation from within. I am unbreakable. I am unconquerable, and I transcend any limitations that may arise in my life. I am unbreakable. I am unbreakable. I am unbreakable, and I am capable of achieving greatness in all areas of my life, period, and that's the bottom line. I am unbreakable. I am unbreakable. I am unbreakable!